We're going to explain how to select and download multiple files from a website. This can be tricky depending on the website's design, but here are some common methods. 1. Identifying downloadable files. First, you need to locate the files you want to download. These might be links, buttons, or checkboxes associated with each file. Often, they'll be in a list or a grid. Pay close attention to file names and extensions, font PDF, .zip, JPG, etc., to make sure you're selecting the correct ones. 2. Using checkboxes or selection tools. Many websites offer a way to select multiple files at once. Look for checkboxes next to each file name. Clicking these boxes will usually select the corresponding files. Some websites might have a Select All option to choose every file on the page. If there are no checkboxes, the method might be different, explained below. 3. Using Browser's Download Manager. Once you've selected the files, many browsers allow you to download selected files simultaneously. After clicking on the Download button, you may find that your browser automatically starts downloading multiple files. If the download is not happening in bulk, you might need to download them individually. 4. Download managers, third-party software. If a website doesn't support bulk downloads or your browser struggles, consider using a dedicated download manager like JDownloader or Download Accelerator Plus. These programs often handle multiple downloads more efficiently and can resume interrupted downloads. 5. Individual downloads. If a website doesn't offer bulk download options and you're dealing with many files, you might have to download them one by one. This can be time-consuming, so be prepared for that. Right-click on each file link and select Save Link As or Download Linked File As. This method allows saving each file with a custom file name. 6. Copying links and downloading with a script. If you're comfortable with a bit of coding, you can copy the download links of all the files and paste them into a script, written in Python or other scripting languages, to download them in bulk. This method usually requires some programming knowledge. 7. Website-specific methods. Some websites might have unique download mechanisms. Look for buttons labeled Download All, Zip Download, or similar phrases. These buttons often download all selected files compressed into a single archive, .zip.rr. Always pay attention to the website's instructions and guidelines. 8. Troubleshooting. If you encounter problems, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also check if your browser's download manager is configured correctly. If using a download manager, refer to its documentation. Remember to always download files only from trustworthy websites to avoid downloading malware. Downloading many files can take a long time, particularly with a slow internet connection. Be patient and let the process run its course.